Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is to click first on your module. Let's click on add right over here. And from here, we're gonna see connection. I'm gonna go with motion internal. And then from here, I'm gonna have to grab the internal integration token. And we're gonna do that by going here, click on the three dots, and then here we have manage connections. Here we have develop or manage integrations. Click on that. Let's click on new integration. Here I'm gonna associate this one, internal, save, configure, and then here that's fine. I'm gonna click on here, copy, and then I'm gonna paste this right over here. Click on save. And now we're gonna grab the database ID, right? So I can do that by going back to Notion. If I click on share or copy link, and let's say I'll paste this here. Sorry, not like this. And then I'll grab this part. So I'll grab this part and then I'll undo this. And here, go back to my automation here, enter this, not this. Okay, no problem. I'll just delete this part. And now let's see if this should work. Let's click on save, run this module only. And if it shows you this, there's something we forgot, and which is, let's press Command R to refresh this. We have this and this one right over here. Let's go full screen. Click on here again, go to connections, and then here I name this connection or this integration book. Okay, so click on that, the one that you created, and click on connect. Now we have one here. I also have to do it for this one, but if you also have other, databases, you can connect those as well. Okay, book, confirm. And now let's go back and I'm gonna click on run this module. And now it works. And a good practice is to run each module, which I made a mistake of creating a workspace, and then you don't test each module. So just make sure you test this each module separately. And yeah, I run this module, it works. And also it's a good practice to just check your data from here, see if it grabs the right data. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we have everything here. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching.